Tala Falava, yeah. This is Samoan Language Week 2023. I just thought I'd share something with you. Sorry about the lighting. Anyway, I thought I'd share a little song with you. Pese Samoa. It's a piece, it's a song that my mother used to sing to me and my father used to sing to me when I was little. And also my grandfather, Apulu Opeloge from Vaiaso, he used to sing it to me when he would drive me up and down really fast in his Chevrolet in our village. So for me, it brings back memories, childhood memories. I just thought I'd share it with you on Samoan Language Week. You'll have to excuse the singing, but thought I'd share it with you. Samoan Language Week, let's see, it got me reflecting and thinking about the idea that this is a special week for sure, absolutely. But you know, the other 51 weeks of the year, I'm still Samoan. Yeah, the other 51 weeks. 365 days, absolutely. Samoan hard. I live it, I breathe it, I walk it. I come across prejudice against it, I express it, and I'm proud of it. So, I thought I'd share the song with you. Some of my musician friends might be able to help me out here, because I can't quite remember. I believe this comes from, the chord progression anyway, fits a jazz standard from a movie back in the 80s. And I think the movie was The Fabulous Baker Boys. But it works really well, the chord progression works really well for this tune. So like I said, it takes me back to Samoa and my childhood. I'm not going to sing the whole song, I'm just going to sing a little bit for you. So, I hope you enjoy. Manuia le vaiaso o le ngangana Samoa. Sa o sa vali Manuia le vaiaso ngana Samoa. To fase fua.